The appropriate safety equipment must be worn when using the ORTECO pile driver. Helmet, headphones, gloves, and safety shoes. ORTECO pile drivers are equipped with a starter control panel, complete with 7 indicators providing information on the state of the motor, battery charge level, oil pressure, current efficiency of the air filter, change in temperature, low amount of fuel in the tank, efficiency of the hydraulic oil filter, and glow plugs. If an indicator lights up, stop the machine, identify the reason, and eliminate the cause. To operate the machine, turn the key to the right and adjust the engine revolutions per minute using the throttle lever. For optimal working conditions, you should set it between 2000 and 2200 RPM. To prepare the machine for work, move the column from transport to vertical position by using the appropriate lever. Then, using the lifting lever, raise the hammer, moving it away from the locking position of the column's bottom extension. ORTECO machines are equipped with a system that prevents the hammer from falling in the event of breakage of the chain or breakage of a lifting piston hose. Using this system, the operator can carry out any activity whatsoever, even in the area below the hammer itself. To activate this system, insert the pin into the appropriate hole. To extend the working column downwards, remove the pin, which is located at the base of the column. Lower the bottom extension of the column until it is in the vertical position, and then reinsert the pin in the middle. Finally, lock the column with the 2 reinforcement bolts, which allow the mobile part to be firmly fixed to the vertical column. At this point, insert the guide for the post and fix it in position with the appropriate pins. Once the guide is inserted, the machine is ready for work. Once these operations have been safely carried out, remove the pin to free the hammer. The movements of the column and the hammer are controlled by a group of levers. Their use is shown by a sticker. Starting from the top, the first lever moves the column by tilting it towards the left and the right. The second lever raises and lowers the hammer. If the lever is pushed far to the left, then the hammer is placed in the floating position. In this position, the hammer will remain in contact with the head of the pole during its driving. The third lever allows the column to move forward and backwards to move away from the trackside. The fourth lever controls the inclination of the column to facilitate its vertical adjustment. The fifth lever allows for the lateral displacement of the main frame. This movement also allows precise positioning of the pile driver. The sixth lever controls the stabilizer's piston for the machines equipped with the extraction system. The last lever is used to operate the striking of the hammer to drive the post. When the machine has to move to reach the working position, the load must be carried in a central position to permit balanced maneuvering. To do this, bring the weight of the column in the middle of the two tracks using the control levers. Once the weight is balanced, move the machine using the transfer levers. Before proceeding with the sinking of the pile, ensure that headphones are worn. Following the information provided by the computer, where the project of the work to be carried out has been previously loaded, move the machine to the first pile position and then, using the appropriate levers, adjust the column into the correct vertical position. Raise the hammer and insert the pole into the lower guide. Holding the pole in a vertical position, slowly lower the hammer until it lines up with the upper end of the post. Ensure that there is nobody in the immediate vicinity of the machine. Then start the GPS sequence by pressing the green button. The hammer will start the driving action until it reaches the set height. When the driving of the post is completed, the hammer will rise about 10 to 15 centimeters and the machine will automatically move on to the next pole. In the automatic mode, no intervention is necessary on the part of the operator to change the machine's position. In this mode, the machine may only be approached after it has come to a halt. After reaching the following position, the machine will adjust the column to vertical and raise the hammer to a suitable level for inserting the next pole. Lower the hammer until it rests on the pole and press the green button once again to start the GPS sequence. Repeat the operation for each of the following posts.